On the 31st of August 2023, plenty crowd of PDP supporters and political partners sit down the whole day. They wait to welcome Edo State Deputy Govunor Right Honorable Shaibu from his hometown for Jatu. Shaibu wey go watch the finals of the Wafobi Women Football Tournament for Edo Stadium in the evening, comot for Benin for around 6:30 p.m. come finally reach im hometown for around 10 p.m. to come see the ogbonge welcome from plenty women, youth and even the old papa and mama dem, as all of them sit down dey wait jejely for am to come. Dis plenty people use the whole day to sit down wait for am jejely for Utukwe market, where dem welcome him and him wife with their traditional songs, dance and come follow am with leg reach him house wey be about 1.5 kilometers, and dem come dey hail am and dey throway salute to the number 2 man of the state. The talk person for the community, John Thomas, wey dem know as Ucho, come give Oga Shaibu assurance say dem go support am anytime, any day, and say dem remain loyal and committed to their own pikin. E come still talk say Jatu don ready gidigba to follow Oga Shaibu come rain come sun, and dey ready to sink and swim with am for the course of im political journey. Make una no forget say as we dey see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Jatu, Auchi, Edo State, Omo Ikayere, TMC TV News.